cute that is.
The merch?
Yeah, we're like complimenting colors. Well, I guess maybe not.
I'm the
But
salt.
we're,
You're the
what would that
pepper.
be?
Salt and pepper?
No, but like, it's not
Contrast?
complementary colors. It's, what's
Conflicting?
black and white? Maybe. We can go with conflicting. I like that.
Contrasting.
We're contrasting today. That's my baby.
I don't have long hair,
We gotta
so
have
I
a
can't
detour.
like flip my hair.
Yeah, you gotta like whoop this.
You got
way.
a lot of like creativity.
my
You can do
hair.
with
I know, it's like my specialty.
that. There's no way.
It's my hidden
growing my hair
talent.
out.
You can get some fluff in there and like, ooh, you kind of got a wave going right there. I see it.
Yeah, but it just stays.
Can you do the sound effect of like, not a sound effect, but the like edit effect of like waves coming off your hair?
I'm not gonna add that.
Please. Like a little. But do you
It's gonna
add
be a
in
zoom
little
in
like?
on your face, and it's gonna look really awkward. And there's gonna be no
I could
sound
never.
effects.
I could never. Well, my voice would be the sound. Well, they get the picture. You get the picture.
Okay, I don't know what we're doing.
Introduction. Shall I let you take it?
Hi everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. This is the #1 place in the world for people who want to make money and learn how to be better rideshare, Uber, Lyft drivers and have more fun with your life. And so today we are just, if you want to, you know, succeed in life and not die, well, you will die one day. Sorry, can't help you there. But anyways.
That is what we call word vomit.
Thank you for coming back to
You
our
did
channel,
great.
guys. We're going to talk really fast today, so I hope you guys can listen up. All you old folks out there, you know, maybe you can turn this video on slow motion so you can understand what we're going to say, but we're going to be talking like this throughout the whole video, so thank you guys so much for coming back to today's video. Yeah, let's get started. Why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself to Caitlin Shadle?
Hi, I'm Caitlin Shadle, and you just said to introduce myself as Caitlin Shadle, and here I am.
Yeah, but can you please say, like,
in
one-
the lovely Los Angeles.
Are you okay, Los Angeles, California, like not Los Angeles and Dubai?
Not Los Angeles and Dubai, Los Angeles, California, not Los Angeles, Utah, not Los Angeles, Washington.
Not
I
Los
am
Angeles,
Los Angeles,
Australia.
California, the sunny city of the United States. Also well known for the Katy Perry hit singer California Girls Run to the moment. I'm not. Here we are.
All right, welcome back to our channel, guys. We got a crazy story time video for you guys today. Yet again.
Coming at you with the stories.
We got 30 more story times for you guys. So
Yeah, you better get ready. You better hit like if
Yeah.
you want to see me. If not, cut. Right, Dylan?
cut.
Cut.
Yeah.
Cut out of here. I'm just out.
Are
And I got so many more stories.
Wait,
to
are you
share
coming
with
back or are you getting voted
It
off?
depends. Dial
It depends how many views.
Friends Hub at Caitlin Shadle.
Oh, I should give you like a discount code. Let's do
That's
that.
what I'm saying.
Okay.
If I do well, I won't get cut and I'll get a discount code. So let's see how I do, right? So hit the like and say
Okay,
in the comments
I will
we
make
love
a
Caitlin.
discount code. You can use code Kaylin. Should we do Kaylin or Shadle? Let's do
Kaylin.
Use code Kaylin for 40% off. One piece of clothing, guys. That's all you get.
You get that? 40% off.
It's usually 20.
That's 10% off of half.
Yeah.
You better snatch that.
I'm gonna lose some money if
Snatch.
enough of you guys, too many of you guys do that. Okay,
Yeah,
let's get
so
started with the
I
video,
can-
guys. Yeah, leave the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay,
Tell your friends.
Tell your mom
And your dad. Brother and sister.
if you have a dad. Okay.
If you don't, tell your grandma, your grandpa, everyone else.
All right, so another crazy story time. You, well, let's just get started.
Let's get started.
So, what kind of, was this an afternoon, evening?
This was like a morning.
Bicentennial summer solstice?
I'd say like 11:30, so I wouldn't know if that would be considered morning or afternoon.
Morning.
Morning.
Before noon.
Yeah. Duh,
Why
sorry.
would it be afternoon?
It's a pre-afternoon, to be exact. Oh, whoop whoop.
That's my mom.
Oh shoot, again. Just kidding. Always answer your mom's text. Always, even mid-video, you have to answer your
Keep
mom's
talking,
text.
keep them entertained.
Okay, so why Dylan is texting his mom, I'm
Stop.
gonna explain to you. Oh, what are you saying? Love you, mom. Miss you. Oh, cute. Love it. Anyways, so while I was in lovely Los Angeles, California, I think I was in Hollywood, and it was 11:30, which we call pre-afternoon. I decided to order an Uber, not just an Uber Pool Express to be exact. And that's one where you like, you know,
have to
trot
walk.
around. Sometimes it's like just like, and sometimes it's like.
It's like Tetris.
I'm just kidding. I didn't have to walk that far. That wasn't the dude was a homie and he like picked me up.
He
and
hooked
was
it
like,
up.
hey dude, what up? Didn't even make me walk. And he's like, yeah girl, I got you. He was so cute. He was so shy. Not like hot. Like, I mean, maybe he was. I don't know. Never mind it. What doesn't matter. His personality was bright. He was positive. I like this man. I was like, you are a great Uber driver. I'm giving you 5 stars and maybe even a tip. That's how much I liked him. And I don't tip very often, even though you should, because we have hardworking Uber drivers out there. You need to tip them. Tip them when it matters. Anyways,
make it rain.
I think he even had snacks in his car.
No way.
Like, now that I recall.
He was a
like
dedicated
snacks,
driver.
like with the little pouches, like, hey, I'm your Uber driver.
So he didn't even deserve what was about to
He
happen.
didn't deserve what was about to hit him. Literally, what was about to hit him. He had snacks, and I think I might have like taken a mint or 2 or 5. I don't know.
Or 5.
Maybe probably 2.
Or 5 too.
Or maybe 4. I don't know. I did take a mint though, and so
Oh, a mint.
I was by my lonesome. A mint, like a. So I got
You
in.
do that literally for everything. Like anytime there's anything in the video, you like
Sound
act it
effects are
out.
everything. You got it. They have to get the
You're
full
like
picture.
you're like editing for me on the spot, so I don't have to.
I want you guys to imagine you're in the Uber with me,
Okay.
and this is what happens to you. I
What
want
were
to
you
take
wearing?
you on
What
that
were you
journey.
wearing?
Let me actually think about this. I could probably recall. I was wearing a Tommy Hilfiger yellow. Actually, I was wearing this.
You're wearing the Rideshare merch, right?
I was wearing the Rideshare merch.
Use
Take
code
that all
Kaylin,
back.
40% off. Link in description.
Anyways, I wasn't wearing heels because I remember I could walk because I decided to take express and it was, you know. Anyway, so we were driving and we were driving right past Paramount, I believe. And we see this lady and she's got like
What kind of car was he driving?
hair. He was driving, I think, a BMW,
Oh wow.
black one, but it
You got
wasn't
an
like
Uber-
a woo,
you got
but
an
it was
Uber
like
black.
a nice one.
You get an Uber.
Yeah,
black.
I love it when it's unexpected, especially pool. Like you usually like expecting like some ghetto cruiser, like hey. But no, this one was nice. I was like, yes, pulling through. It was nice. He was nice. Everything was good. I got my mints in my mouth. I was a happy girl. This lady.
I feel like you're hyping up the story so much.
You don't
It was
understand.
more like a normal ride, and you're like.
No, it was good. I just want to like emphasize. He was a good man.
Gotcha.
He was good.
You really
Anyways,
like this guy.
I
huh?
did. I'm like, it hurt me.
Maybe
so,
this guy could have sent you a DM.
that's
Moving
for another
on.
Story. Okay. Anyways, I was driving, and I see this girl with like poofy hair. She's a blondie.
Wait, you were the driver now?
I wasn't driving. I lied. I was driving in the car. Is what I meant. Like not like. I was like driving like.
Sitting.
Yeah, like backseat driving.
You were
know
sitting
what
in
I
the
mean?
car, not
I
driving.
was sitting in the car. Whatever. I was sitting in the car, and girl with poofy hair. And nails.
Oh, you had poofy hair?
I didn't have poofy hair.
Oh, your friend.
The lady, not my friend.
Oh, the other girl.
I was.
I can't
Are
even
you
follow
even
the story.
following? I'm sorry. The details are unnecessary. I'm gonna clear this up for you. Not clear this up for you.
Clear it up.
I was not driving the car. I was in the back seat.
You weren't driving the Uber
I was not
pool?
driving the Uber
BMW?
pool. I unfortunately do not drive for Uber because I don't have a car that is Uber
Are
qualified.
you even old enough to do Uber?
I'm 20, am I? I actually
You
don't even know.
have to be 21.
Then I'm not. That is why I wasn't driving the car. Anyways, so I was not driving the car. Someone else was, and I really liked him. He was nice. He had mints. I was in the back seat, maybe the right or
Should
the
I
left.
also go up
I
like
know,
this?
but I wasn't in the middle seat.
Uh-huh.
Is what I'm trying to explain
Okay.
to you, fellow folks.
You were on the
watching
side
this.
of this.
I was on the side, and this lady. I see her and I was like, this better not be the passenger we're picking up. Because she had poofy hair. There's nothing wrong with poofy hair.
I
But
hate
it was like
poofy
the one
hair
that she
people.
like goes like this. And then it's like,
Oh.
and she thinks she's like all like, oh, hey, what's up? I'm better than everyone.
That's
was
what I
like,
do. That's what I do with
We
my
just
hair.
talked about, you have to wait though.
Alright.
Anyways, lady had like, she probably had extensions too. She was like,
Okay.
and she had the little cat nails, which I'm all about. Like, I wish I had cat nails,
Oh, the
but I
long
don't.
ones?
Yeah, but like really, really, really long and like
please
sharp,
don't
like
get those. Please don't.
they don't know what's coming for them. Anyways, she gets in the car. Well, she's
Like
on the phone.
weapons.
She's on the phone and she's like looking at her phone and she's like traveling around like she's all lost and all panicked and all like, oh my god. And she gets in the car, okay, and I already know something's about to go down. This lady is just not having it. She's like, you were in the wrong spot. And this is an Uber Pull Express. Like, no, lady, he wasn't in the wrong spot.
Yeah,
you walk to wherever he wants you to, or wherever the app makes you walk. Like, he was not in the wrong spot. And this guy's just like, just taking it. Like, no, this is your car, sir. You stand up for yourself. She's like, you were in the wrong spot. And then literally, I no joke you, I'm just gonna pretend to be, no, you pretend to be the Uber. I will go easy. It'd be like vice versa, because normally I'd be the driver.
I'm like,
but
okay, I'm driving.
So he's driving. Well, he's pulled over, and she gets in the car, and she's like,
I really hope I get a 5-star rating today, and I hope I get tips too. Please,
not
Uber
from
gods.
this lady.
Please, Uber gods.
Anyways, he's parked skirt. I get in the car. I'm like, oh, my poofy hair, my cat nails.
Hi, how are you?
Oh my gosh, you were in the wrong spot. Is what she did.
I'm sorry.
And I'm just in the backseat. This is like my finger. This is me in the backseat. I'm just like, oh.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Dang.
I'm just following the app, okay?
And this is what she does. Get ready. This is what she does. She goes like this. Literally attacks the man, and I'm literally in the backseat like,
bro,
what is this girl doing? I wish I got out my phone and I just filmed this, because this lady clearly, like, she found the driver. It's fine, like, the world will go on. She just starts smacking him with her little cat claws. I was like, this
like
chick
like cut up.
this Uber driver's just like doesn't know what to do. I try to make eye contact with the Uber driver.
Your phone is going off in there. It's fine. Oh, is that my phone?
You're Mr. Popular.
I'm not getting anything.
I'm not getting anything. I'm not getting anything.
Oh, maybe it's my computer. Whatever.
Whatever. Doesn't matter. Anyways.
That's what happened.
No. So cat
Oh yeah,
call
so what
lady,
happened?
Cat call lady's literally like attacking. And I'm in the backseat. I'm trying to make eye contact so I can be like, dude, this lady's crazy. You need to call Uber Control. And
Uber
get her
Control.
out. You need to call 801 Uber.
Because that totally exists.
Just kidding, they need something.
Uber.
Yeah, 1-800 Uber help.
I'm pretty sure it's
lady's
called the
attacking
police.
me. Maybe, but just dialing 911. Like,
they need something for when you're getting attacked. Yeah, 911.
I thought like maybe they knew each other, because that's how weird it was.
Yeah.
Like it was almost like, oh my gosh, like.
That's so weird.
Like they were friends, but this poor guy just like.
Was she on drugs?
Maybe, I don't know, probably.
That is your phone, right?
No, my phone's right here. This dude. Just kidding. Is it your lappy? Do you have two phones? Is there someone around here that's recording us?
Maybe
They're trying to give you a little like pre-session. They're trying to give you like a little sneak peek. They're trying to drop the deeds before it needs to be dropped.
Sorry, with all my YouTube commenters. Kate,
what?
that is your phone.
Not. None.
Who's in here? Someone's in here? Did you hear that?
Yes, I heard that multiple times.
I think that's like my neighbor. Oh, it's coming from over there?
We have someone in the bushes stalking us.
Is someone in here?
This is like an even better freaking YouTube video.
Wait,
we have a stalker.
I thought that was you.
No, it's like, literally not me.
Okay, whatever.
Well, if we get killed, at least it's on camera.
Hello? I don't know.
Ding.
Okay.
Okay. Cat call lady. I'm like trying to make eye contact with the Uber, like, dude, this girl's crazy, get her out. And so this sweet soul, he just like continues driving. He's just like taking it and just like, wow, that's different. And he drops her off, and literally she's like, this is not my drop off point. He's like, yeah, it is. Shows her the phone, except he's really nice, so he's like, yes, it is. In like a nice way, because I would be like, get out of my car. But he was like, yes, this is your drop off point. And she's like, no, it's not. I wanted to be at this gate. What is that?
Okay.
What?
It sounds like it's coming from here, right? Or no?
I feel like it's coming literally from the bushes.
Oh, really? Maybe it's my neighbor.
Is your neighbor that close?
There's one right here and one way up there. And that's it.
Did they throw their phone into the bushes and just get like so many notifications?
Maybe so. Alright guys, sorry. There was somebody breaking into my house. So I had to fight them off.
Yep. I was the one fighting them off.
Well,
he just kind of like,
I mean, I watched. So.
No, he went like this. Ah!
Okay, I was
And
there
I was
though.
like,
I was
not
ready.
helping. He was ready with his mouth open.
Yeah, you do have a
screaming.
little cut right there. But should have seen the other guy.
You know what? You should have seen the other guy.
I just said that.
Really? I didn't even hear you. Okay.
Are you serious?
I really didn't. I thought I was being original, but whatever. Way to jump the gun. Okay. Where should we start from? Do you even remember?
You mean where should we end?
Where should we end? Because we have already started.
You were saying how the driver got attacked.
The driver got attacked.
Yeah.
And, oh, okay, I was at the part where she was getting dropped off and she was complaining like, oh my gosh, this is not my Uber destination. And clearly said on the app, said on her phone, it was Uber destination. Wherever this chick wanted to go, she did it wrong. And he's like, where do you want to go? She's like, I want to go to gate 3. We were at Warner Bros. Studios, I think, and she was trying to go to gate 3.
She's an actor?
I don't think she was an actress.
Producer?
I don't know what she was. I think she was probably just like extra audience, or she was like paying tons of money to go watch Ellen or something. I don't know. But she's like, I wanted to be on gate 3, and so this homie
sounds like the worst rider ever.
She's like a nightmare. Literally drove her to gate 3 and dropped her off. I'm like, that man should get 9 stars and a $50 tip for dealing with that chick. Not even dealing, getting beat up by that chick. No, he could have took her easily, but he was just like, I'm gonna
and he didn't fight back?
He didn't even fight back.
Wow.
If this was my car, I would have been like, open the door, and she just like tosses right out. Like, that wouldn't fly.
You would have done like, what are those back handspring kicks? Yeah, one of those things.
Yeah, a little tilty do, little cartwheel trick.
All right, I'm tired of
Ninja.
talking. You're apparently not.
I'm ready. A little ninja backflip, double twist,
There you go.
somersault,
Somersault.
twirl. Okay. Anyways,
Twerk? Twirl?
props to you Uber drivers, is what I would like to say, for dealing with annoying people.
Great story.
I'm just gonna hurry and go on a rant. I even am sometimes hard to deal with in an Uber, because you know what? You don't realize it as a person transporting you. You realize it's just part of your day.
Yeah.
And if you're having a bad day, you just dump your feelings and you dump your negative energy on their car, and they don't deserve it.
Do you tell them about your problems?
No, but I just get in the car and I'm like, oh,
yeah, you're like,
oh man, I'm on the phone. I'm just like, no. And they're just like chilling. And it affects them. So I want to say thank you for...
That's true. Driving Uber is very tiring emotionally.
I mean, if you get happy people, you're lucky. But if you get like some attack chick or like some negative energy person just like screaming at someone on the phone, it just, you know, even as background, it doesn't feel that good.
And then sad people, it's up and down.
I bet it's so weird to just pick up a new person and then drop them off, like one that's like really pumped and like hyped about life, and another one that's like crying.
Yeah.
I've cried in an Uber before. I'm not gonna even lie. I've definitely cried in an Uber. Bald.
Okay, that's another one. Another story. Let's save that for next time.
Thanks for watching.
Stay tuned for the Uber crying story.
Don't beat up your Uber drivers. End of the story. Moral of the story.
Moral of the story.
Have a good one.
Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Get the merch. Use code Kaylin.
40% off.
Alright. Bye guys.
Peace.